This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Audrey McDaniel. All brick, gall front home in the Tanasi neighborhood in Tellico Village. One owner, well maintained, open floor plan ready for you to make your own and enjoy the great community. 2 golf courses, yacht club with boat docks right in your neighborhood. Perfect size, perfect price. Make an appointment now and be the first to see this great home. Walkout basement, same square footage as main level. Heat and cooled, wired and plumbed, ready to be finished. For more information, review the details below or contact Audrey McDaniel at 865-966-1111.